Microsoft PowerPoint is the go-to presentation software for professionals, educators, and students. At the heart of it, PowerPoint is used to create and share slide-based decks that combine images, graphics, text, and multimedia objects to illustrate a concept, tell a story, or help audiences walk T. Points, charts, and tables are quickly formatted, and bullet points, written as lists, are transformed with smart art to create processed, hierarchical, and relational diagrams. Integrating multimedia gives you the power to include videos, audio fragments, and animations, providing depth and interactivity, whereas slide transitions and object animations allow you to emphasize a particular concept or to keep the audience engaged. Collaboration is easy. PowerPoint also supports the dynamic management of presentations with rehearsed timings and slide previews, along with speakers' notes to focus on perfecting content with confidence. Anything can be exported as PDF decks, video decks with narration, or as slides saved as static images, allowing for flexibility across multiple distribution channels. Sophisticated functionality like slide sections, zoom capabilities, and dynamic slide navigation contribute to creating, customizing, and adding nonlinear, interactive elements to presentations. In addition, compatibility with Excel and Word allows importing of charts and data tables while keeping them consistent with Office apps. Whether used for sales pitches, lecture videos, remote training, or so much more, PowerPoint is the industry standard for turning an idea into a presentation, and it's perfect for those who are forced to work from home. Its universal use illustrates its role as a primary mode of communication,